Good morning, students. I welcome back to Sir online classes for BCom first year, second semester. Subject name is programming with C and C++. C and C++. The last class will be continuation of the different types of formats will be programming in different formats. Now we are discussing another important content is small bit is break statement. Break statement is already known in switch case statements, break and continue statements. This, next we will start another topic. Break statement is mainly used for forcefully. Break statement is also known as decision making statement. If the condition is true, this break statement may be used for in a loops. Loop will be when we are quitting from loop, while condition become a false, loop will be terminated. Forcefully terminated. While condition is true, for example, while condition is true, the loop will be repeated process. The loop will be repeated process. Repeated process. When we are using break statement, forcefully terminated. Forcefully terminated. That's known as break statement. Break statement comes. Break statement comes with decision making statement. Decision making statement. Decision making statement like if switch statement. In some programming, we want exit switch statement. Already knows covered the switch statement. In some programming, we want exit from the loop. When we are loop will be terminated, the condition become a false. The condition is true, then forcefully terminated. When that purpose of using break statement. When we want exit from the loop before actually the loop terminates. Loop terminates. This can be achieved by using break statement. Using break statement. Before actually the loop terminates, this can be achieved by using break statement in C language. Okay. The break the break statement which was already covered in switch case statement. Hence, already covered in switch statement. Okay, this is nothing but is okay statement break here. Okay, covered. This is nothing but already covered in switch statement. Switch statement. Which can be also used in loops. Okay, this is nothing but also can be used to loops. Loops when a break statement encountered in any loop in C. In any loop in C. Okay, that purpose of using loops. Just a syntax, simple syntax means break semicolon. Break semicolon. This statement used within a while loop and do while loop and for loop. This statement used within the while statement, do while, break, do while and for loop. The use of break statement within the while syntax is as okay. Now we listen. This is a break statement mean okay. Simply the syntax is break. This break statement can be used for while loop as well as do while loop and for loop. When you are using the while loop, what is the syntax? Okay, when it is a while condition, statement 1, statement 2, if condition, then break in syntax. In while, okay, in it's like so, do while and for loop. Okay, in do while and for loop syntax. Simply syntax means this can be used for while loop, while statement or while, do while and for. What is where you can? What is the use of while? Okay, what is syntax? Where you can use it do while syntax for syntax. Just you can write. Okay, this is a break statement is already covered in switch case statements already. Why we are using break statement? Actually, loops comes okay, a repeated process until condition is satisfied. For example, condition is satisfied, then forcefully terminated, then encountered with break. When we are loop will be terminated, either condition will be false. The condition is going on true, then will be terminated loop. That purpose of using break statement. This break statement can be used for while loop and do while loop and for loop. Syntax, okay, just you can write in break in syntax while as well as everybody knows while syntax while condition statement 1, statement 2, okay. Then having if condition then break. Next close. The syntax you can see. syntax while condition begin statement 1 statement 2 statement 1 and statement 2 if condition then no statement here, okay, more break syntax close and statement x while condition is true, then the loop will be executed statement if again is having if condition, this condition is true, then break will the loop will be terminated actually the loop will this condition will be false, the loop will be terminated, but here condition is true and it will be executed statement 1 statement 2 next condition will be checked if it is true while loop will be terminated clear enough understand that purpose of using break by using another one is by using the structure of do while the syntax or okay, the structure of do while loop using break statement is as using break statement is as syntax do begin statement 1 statement 2 if condition next break while condition then statement x this is do same similarly for okay for initialization condition increment and decrement if condition here break syntax for syntax for initialization condition increment and decrement statement 1 statement 2 if condition break this is close this is statement x and that is a while do while and for okay this is nothing but is a break suppose if you can want some example program to explain example depending on while the loop will be continuation then force will be terminated that purpose of program will be explained here okay just take an example program example suppose if you are computing the sum of n positive, sum of n number positive, sum of n positive integer numbers sum of n positive integer numbers and the computation calculation will fit means exit will fit the value of I becomes 7. The value of I becomes 7. I equal to 7. Okay, this is nothing but, for example, what do you mean by this one? Sum will be calculated if loop I equal to, whenever come the I incremented 7, the loop will be terminated. Sum of the positive numbers, when we are reached I equal to starting initialization 1, I equal 1, I equal 2, I equal 3, I equal 4, I equal to 7, then the sum will be printing and printing. Okay, this is the program. Okay, that is the program, nothing but hash include std dot h, hash include std dot h, conl dot h, void main begin int n I sum equal to 0. This is 0. Sum equal to 0. Next, clr clear screen function, printf enter the n value, scanf percentage d address of n. Next, you can take for loop for initialization I equal to 1 semicolon, I less than equal to 10, I press begin, then sum equal to sum plus I. Just you can take the variable sum equal to sum plus I. Next condition check. If I equal to 7, then next statement will be break statement. Otherwise, if sum equal to sum, if I equal then 12. Next, otherwise you can write this statement is this one, or statement 1, statement 2, or statement 3. Break. Next, this is close. Next, printf the sum is percentage d sum. For close, get ch close. Okay, just you can listen the explanation of this program. N equal to 10. Actually, n equal to 10 sum of, what do you mean by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus until 10, 55 sum will be there, but the sum will be different here, as you can see. Sum of n natural number. Sum of n natural number means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus depending on n value. What do you mean depending on n value? Depending on n value, and assume that n equal to 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equal to the sum equal to total is 55 will be printing. Here you can see what will be done here. Okay, I equal to 1, I equal to 1, I less than equal to n. You can see is an class or mali form just now. Class. I equal to 1, I less than equal to n. I less than equal to n means 1 less than equal to n. N means 10. Condition is true. Here sum equal to sum plus I. What will be sum 0? Starting sum 0. 0 plus I. 0 plus I means 1. I value 1. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 where you can show 1? Sum. Sum equal to 1. Next condition check. Next statement is this one. If I equal to 7, what is I value? What is the I value? Starting I value 1. 1 equal to 7? No. This condition is true. This statement will be executed. Otherwise, this one. Okay. Otherwise, again I will be incremented. This condition is true. This statement will be executed. No statement executed because of this condition is not satisfied. I equal 1 equal to 7? No. That's why here I will be incremented. Now I value 2. Next condition check. 2 less than equal to 10. Yes, 2 less than equal to 10. Condition is true. Then sum equal to sum plus I. What is sum? Sum already is the 1. 1 plus I value 2. Sum already is the 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Next check. Condition. If condition. If I equal to 7. What is the value of I? 2. 2 equal to 7? No. Then I will be incremented. Now I value 3. 3 less than equal to n. 3 less than equal to 10. Yes, condition is true. Next here. Sum. What is sum? 3 plus I. What is the value of I? 3. 3 plus 6. It can be stored in sum. 6. Next statement here. If I equal to 7. What is the I value? 3 equal to 7? No. Next will be here updation. What I will be increased. I will be incremented. Previous I value 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. Next condition. 4 less than equal to n. 4 less than equal to n. Yes, here condition is true. Sum equal to sum plus a. What is sum? 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Next, I equal to 7. Okay, I equal to 7. What is the value of I? 4 equal to 7? No. Next here. Next, I will be increased 5. I will be increased 5. Next, 5 less than equal to 10 as condition is true. 5 less than equal to 10. Yeah. Sum plus previous sum 10. 10 plus I value 5. 15. Next, I equal to 7. What is I value? 5. 5 equal to 7? No. Next, I will be increased. Now I will to 6. 6 less than equal to n value. 6 less than equal to what is n value? N value 10 as condition is true. Sum previous sum equal to 6 15 plus I value 6 21. Next check. I value 6 equal to 7. No. This is skipping. Next increment 7. 7 less than equal to 10. 7 less than equal to 10 as condition is true. Yes, sum plus I. What is sum? 21. 21 plus 7, 28. Next is I. What is the value of I? 7. Yes, 7 equal to 7. Condition is true. 7 equal to 7. This satisfies satisfied. Then break. What is importance of break? This statement. Skipping of the loop. Exit from the loop. That's right. Then you can hear. Loop will be terminated. Loop will be terminated. The sum is sum. What is sum? 28. 28 will be printed. 28 will be printed. Actually here, no need of mention if I equal to some break statement. That so sum is 55 because of the loop will be not satisfied. Next until this condition is failed. I equal 10. I equal 9. I equal 10. But in between the forcefully loop will be terminated when we are using break statement. Break statement. Clear my finish statement. This is nothing but break statement, okay? And the purpose of using break. Next is the continuous statement is there. This small bit will ask break statement and continuous statement. Short bit questions very important. break and continuous statements. Continuous statements next. NUE, continue statement. The continuous statement is also decision making statement. The continuous statement is also known as decision making statement. This statement is also used in any loop statement like while, do while, and for loop. Syntax simple continue. Clear? Continue, skipping of some statement. This is mainly used for skipping of some statements. It's like continue. For example, you can read 10 to 110 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Continue again 1. Again 1, 1, 2, 3. Again continue 1. Means in skipping of some statements. The purpose of using continuous statements. Continue, it's like go to statements. The continuous statement comes with decision making statement. Decision making statement. This statement also used in any loop statement. Like while, do while, and for loop statement. Syntax is simply and you continue. Okay, this statement will skip some part of the iteration. Some part of the iteration means loop. Loop. Iteration and comes to the next looping step. That is, it will increment or decrement. Increment or it will increment or decrement the loop value when continue occurs. The loop value when continue occurs. It's like the general syntax I mentioned. Syntax in while loop, in do while loop, as well as in for loop. I will explain here. Tomorrow we will be discussing on this syntax as well as continuous syntax and exam program and arrays. Next two topic will be discussed. Thank you. Have a nice day.